Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel English Day with me. Today's lesson is days of the week. In this video, we will talk about a week, weekday, weekend, today, yesterday, tomorrow. This is lesson number 3. Are you ready? Yes, let's go! So, the 7 days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, listen one more time. So, the 7 days equal Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, as you see, we don't pronounce D. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday. As you see, TH, we pronounce it th. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Now, let's listen and repeat once more. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, let's see what does it mean a week. A week equal 7 days. You remember the article a and an. When we say a week means 1 week. So 1 week or a week equal 7 days. A week equal 7 days. Great. Now let's talk about today, yesterday, tomorrow. Today, yesterday, tomorrow. Imagine today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. What is yesterday? Yesterday is Monday. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday is Monday. Now, let's imagine again that today is Tuesday. So what is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Okay, repeat. Today, yesterday, yesterday, tomorrow, tomorrow. Great, very good. Now let's move to see the question we asked about the day. The question is, what day? What day? We don't pronounce T, okay? We don't pronounce T. What day is it? What day is it today? What day is it today? The answer is, or either we can have two answers. Either today is, for example, Monday, Tuesday, whatever you like. Okay? Today is Monday. Or it is Monday today. I repeat. The question we asked about today is, what day is it today? What day is it today? Today is Monday. It is Monday today. Great. Now, let's move to talk about weekdays, weekends. Weekdays, weekends. Weekdays, we have 5 days. Weekends, we have just 2 days. What does it mean, weekdays? We can say weekdays or school days or work day. Weekend, it means we don't go days that we don't go to school or to work. Okay? Great. Now, what are the 5 days of the weekdays? They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, what about weekend? What are the days of the weekend? They are Saturday and Sunday. Now, let's have some practice. The question is, question number 1. Write the missing days. Write the missing days. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday. So try to think, what are the missing days? The answers are, or the missing days are, Wednesday, Saturday, Wednesday, Saturday. Good job. Now let's move to another exercise, exercise number 2. Okay, imagine if today is Monday, tomorrow is what? Is it Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday? Try to think. If today is Monday, tomorrow is what? The answer is Tuesday. Very good. Yes. If today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday. Excellent. Now, let's end up our lesson with the song, Days of the Week song. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, let's go fast. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Thanks for watching. See you next